Okay. Allow. Okay, install, continue. Make sure to sign in with your Google account. I think it will not accept the other account, so let me choose this personal account instead. Okay, goal seek Sheets add-on wants to access your Google account, then allow. Okay, done. Okay, now we have already added the extensions of goal seek. Then we have to click open. So in the goal seek panel, you have to input the values and then click solve. Okay, for example, we have to set the cell to D. Okay. Mm-hmm. For example, uh, here D16. Okay, set the cell to D16. Then the value to 20. And the changing cell is D2. Solve. Okay, while the uh, goal seek add-on is performing our what if analysis. Okay, this provides us the information about how long the goal seek took to find a solution. And it's trying to solve right now. Okay, now since it's been solving for quite a long time, okay, now let's try to use this data. Okay, so we have here, for example, the store sells 3 different products, A, B, and C, at different prices, 10, 15, and 20 respectively, and calculates the total revenue for these products. So we have to apply the what if analysis. We have already added the add-on extension goal seek. So we will be opening it now. And in the goal seek panel, we have to set the cell to D5. So to get the total revenue, so we have here D5. The value is 2,000 and the changing cell is D2. Then click solve. Okay, at this time, the goal seek will try various values in D2 until it's able to achieve the value of 2,000 in cell D5. Supposedly, it must have the result of almost 2,000. But maybe it's according to our connection that it gets the error of could not update the spreadsheet. Okay, do not rename the sheet while goal seek is running. Wait a few seconds and try again. Okay, so the solve status is failed to find the solution. Okay, since we have this slow internet connection, we'll try running the goal seek add-on with the fast internet connection later.